Welcome to Peritos Solutions, your trusted cloud and ERP partner.
How it kind of like evolved. So um, I think till 2022, the AI was like more of the kind of like a memory-based AI. So um, we used to like train the model specific to like use cases. On the LLM side, it was basically we basically had like ChatGPT initial versions by the time, which was basically just trained on like the data available over internet. So it has like a knowledge base of like what's available, can give you answers based on that. But the problem with that is like it only knows about like the general information. Like if you want to use those kind of AI models within your company with your business cases, it doesn't know about your like business data or business details. That's where RAG model actually came in. So RAG was basically when we started like using those LLM models along with the business context. So you have like LLM model, which in a way you can think of like it knows about like general um, um, it has like a general understanding of like all the different concepts. But then if you train it with your business context as well, so you're creating an agent which is like specific to your, or you're creating a model which is specific to your use case or which understand the business scenarios, business data. So combining those two, that's what the RAG was. Um, So you can use those AI models along with your business data to answer the business related questions. And then it is like personalized in a way that the data is basically just your data. It's not going out. It's not being used to train the LLMs again. It is like within the confined boundary. Um, the problem with that was it's good with like one-to-one kind of like conversation. So chatbots, like that model works for chatbots. It kind of like reduced like some of the hallucination as well. So the answers are more accurate. But then what if there are like more scenarios, like, beyond chatbot, like if you want to use in applications, um, then how will it work? That's where the agents are coming in. So year-wise, like 2024 onwards, that's currently like 2025. You'll see like everyone, like all the cloud companies are talking about agents. The agents are basically using your RAG models with like a persona. So you basically define, one agent as basically it's kind of like it could be like a sales agent or like a marketing agent or a business analyst. So you define like a persona for that agent, and then you have your RAG model running underneath. So it will perform operation based on that persona. So it has got like its own kind of like personality, and then you can combine like multiple agents within the application to get like more correct answers. So I'll just show like some of the things about how we use some of those AI models over the years, and then you'll see the difference as well. How many of you actually know about cricket? Okay, few. So we did like this application. This is like an old application. We started on working on this application in 2020, completed in 2022. The application was like when the bowlers actually goes in the net for training. How did it track like whether they are bowling to certain something that they are actually practicing for? So say bowler goes in net and they're trying to bowl train for like short balls. How many short balls did the bowl? How did that track? There was like no like definite way of like doing this. We work with a New Zealand cricketer, Lockie Ferguson. He also plays like IPLs. Um, to create a mobile app where when they go on nets, they can record a video. Video can be processed, and we can track the ball on how it's going, where it hits, what was the speed, and then create a pitch map. So the problem was like, you record a video. If you're recording from the umpire's position, you are looking at the ball, which is going like in three dimensions, like in depth. So you need to detect the ball. So the first model which we created was basically to detect the ball as it's going on the pitch. The speed of the ball is like like Loki can ball like a 250. So you only get like, even if you record the video at like 240 frames per second, you only get like 30 to 40 frames where you can actually see the ball. So that
Thank you for watching. Get in touch if you're keen to discuss more.